Okay, third thing we're going to do in this section. We're going to be given a graph. You have to write the equation, the function, in vertex form. Okay? So we got to pull some things from this graph that's given to us. The first thing that pops out to me is our vertex. That thing's right here. Okay? The vertex is the point 2, 2. So we know that h is 2 and k is also 2. Okay, so if we then go to what vertex form is, we know our vertex form looks like this. It's a times x minus h squared plus k. We're going to take and we're going to put the h and the k in. So x minus, my h is 2 and my k is 2. Very well. The next thing we're going to use is we're going to pick a point, another point that is given to us. That's going to help us find our last important piece. The last piece we need is to know what A is. Because in order to write it in vertex form, I need the A, the H, and the K. Well, the H and the K are easy. They come right from the vertex. But the A is not quite as easy. And really what I need is, I need something for this x and something for this f of x. And if I can put something in each of those places, now the only variable remaining is the a. So I can do a little bit of work to get the a by itself, and then I know what a is. Well, where could I find an x, comma, f of x, or remember y, x is the same thing as y. So really I'm looking for an xy ordered pair that I could plug in. Well, ta-da, they happen to give us one. They give us the point -2, -6. So let's go ahead and let's plug this xy pair in. This would also be known as f of x, because f of x is another way of saying our output. We're going to take that point and we're going to plug those two values in. So here's what I start with. I'm in need of this and this. So I go to my graph and I see, hey, you know what? They gave me the point -2, -6. -6 is my f of x value or my y value. And -2 is my x value. Okay, so that's where I'm substituting those two numbers in. As I go down here, now I need to simplify this. Well, if I just look at what's going on inside this parentheses here, I have -2 minus 2. Well, -2 minus 2 is a -4. And -4 squared is a positive 16. Okay? But here's the thing. Make sure that if you're going to put -4 squared in your calculator, that you put it in with parentheses. Because if you don't use parentheses, your calculator is going to tell you it's a -16. Okay? So now we have -6 equals a times 16 plus 2. Well, a lot of you right here are going to try to do 16. Not a lot of you. A few of you may think, oh, let's just do 16 plus 2. But we can't do 16 plus 2. Because 16 is being multiplied by a. And the order of operations says I can't do that. So I'm actually going to subtract this 2 from both sides. So now I'll have a -8 on this side and a times 16 on the right, or 16a. All right. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 16 to get the a by itself. Okay? And I'm left with an a value of -1/2. That's the value of a, if I reduce 8 over 16. So although we've done all that great work to find a, which is what I needed here, I don't have the question answered yet because I haven't put that back in. Okay, I haven't put that in and actually given the vertex form. All right, so I'm going to go, essentially, I'm going to take that negative 1/2 and I'm going to put it right up here in place of that a, and then I'll be done. So the final form is f of x equals negative 1/2, that's my a, open a parentheses, x minus 2 squared plus 2. This is the vertex form of the function that was given to me in this picture. So just by looking at that picture, we were able to find out the equation for the function.